You doing?
Scratching.
Is it what?
This is a scratch card. It's a calendar for Christmas that we didn't get a chance to actually scratch. We forgot about it. So there's a reindeer and there's a light. And you turn it around. Then you find the reindeer. And give it like this. And the light. And then you can see the prices you can win if you actually hit those. So if you get 10 Christmas trees, boom, 1 million Danish crowns.
Whoa. What is that number for?
This is for every day. You can scratch one during the Christmas months, but you forgot about it.
Okay, so we didn't follow the rules, just scratch it out.
No, you can also do that. It's yours.
Yeah.
It's paid for.
Yeah, but it doesn't matter right now. It's just scratch.
You see, this is a mistletoe and a mistletoe. So 2 mistletoes. So where is the mistletoe? That's that one. Ding, ding. So I just scratch 2 at a time. Christmas tree, that's what we want 10 of. Oh, there was already 2 of those. No, 8 more than we got a million.
Oh my gosh. So 2 Christmas trees. Oh, that's a long way to go.
That's a long way to the top if you want to rock and roll. Reindeer and a bowl. Reindeer. That was a bowl and that was a reindeer.
Okay.
And there's a drum and Santa Claus. I don't know what to do with the other one. Santa Claus and drums. Drums and the reindeer. Reindeer and reindeer.
Oh my gosh. What's the winning for reindeer?
5K.
5K.
That's also nice.
That's
and
a
I'll
nice
buy you
tip.
an ice cream.
Ha!
Drums and a
Yeah.
bowl. And drums.
Drums?
And a Christmas tree.
Oh my gosh.
Drums, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Bowl and a drum again. Bowl and a drum.
Okay, one
So
more.
one more bowl and I won 75.
Ah,
Christmas light.
Christmas
And a
lights.
reindeer.
I think you're not gonna win anything.
I'm not gonna win a Christmas light and a reindeer. So
Ah.
what I need is 2 more reindeers. I got the 5K, one
then
light,
one.
this one.
Yeah.
So that's what I can win. That's what I'm able to win. So reindeer,
2
reindeer,
more, come on.
and a drum, and a reindeer. So
One drum.
1 drum, meaning I'm 1 of winning this one, and 1 reindeer. So they're fucking with me, missing 1.
Ah, that's annoying.
So fuck. But then you got an extra chance. Over here you can actually see. I don't know how it works. What does how does that one?
No, if here.
Yeah. So one of this, 1, 1, 1. So if I get one of those, we win.
Yeah.
Okay. An angel,
Angel.
a church, a horn, and a goddamn sled. So, no horn. What is this? Snowman and a bell. No, I didn't mean
Nothing.
And then there's some extra shit you can do here. That's for. You
Online?
can actually put it online and you can try to gamble online also. So this was one. Now let's take the other one. To see if we got more luck here.
Yeah, that's my card, right? Normally I win all the time.
Santa Claus and a drum. Good thing you're married, so we always win. Santa Claus and a drum.
Yeah.
Reindeer and a Christmas tree. Oh, there's a
Christmas tree on top.
Star and mistletoe.
Star and what?
Mistletoe.
Oh.
Christmas tree, Christmas tree.
My god.
So we need more Christmas trees. And a candle and a reindeer. Star and a drum.
Star and drum.
Star and tree. So you won 50 krona, congratulations.
Oh my gosh, I told you. I told you.
50 krona is one, then you don't win any more. Only
Yeah, but let's just try.
Thing that they say that you can win more than one. Christmas tree. And a Christmas tree.
Like I always win all the time doing this yearly
So
calendar.
lucky. And a Christmas tree.
Oh my god, they're really teasing so much,
And
right?
a drum, yes they are.
Christmas tree and drum.
Christmas tree and a drum. Probably get 2 more Christmas
Yeah,
trees.
it's like
Then
just to
I
tease you and then at the end,
finish it
no.
off. That was the one.
See? Christmas tree again.
And that was a drum.
A drum.
Christmas tree and a drum. Christmas tree and a drum. Probably a Christmas tree. And a mistletoe and a drum. You probably get a drum and a Christmas tree in the last 2. That's my guess.
See?
Oh, we can win 1 million! It's a, come on, Christmas tree! My guess it's a drum. Christmas tree! My guess is it's a drum. It's like they're pissing on us. We got 50 krona?
Yeah.
What are you gonna use the 50 for?
Candies?
Candies.
Cheers.
But what if it's a Christmas tree? Then I punch you in the face and go, just saying. A fucking drum.
Yeah. And then? Church.
Church.
What is that
Slade.
called? Slade.
The angel.
Angel.
And a horn, like fucking nothing. And then
Yeah,
this.
but let's see at the back. Let's see.
No. There's a horn sled.
Yeah. But we won, Martin.
Congratulations, Em! Congratulations!
Okay, that's it for the yearly calendar.
So much for gambling.
Okay, bye.